What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Full Throttle Josh. We got the crankcase closed, kickstart installed, trans installed. Today we're gonna get the rest of the bottom end closed up. Hopefully put both of the cases back on, and maybe we can get to the top end today too. Let's do it. All right, guys. So we're gonna install this gear shift shaft. All right, we got that lined up. Next is telling me to install the primary gear. Like that. Boom. That washer goes like that. And this thing threads on like that. Oh. Lefty tighty. Next we're installing the oil pump. I put the pin in there. We're gonna see. There we go. Merry fucking Christmas. And I got the metal gear that I want on. Let me see how they fucking put this clip in real quick. Pair of needle noses would be more fucking ideal. Next we're gonna install this clutch. This goes on like that. And the clutch basket. And it says that ring. And this thing. Boom. And this thing here. Get the hub in place. What's next? Some of these are almost burnt. I was talking all that shit before. If you know how to ride, it shouldn't be a fucking issue. Come on. Alright, we got the clutch installed. Now let's put this rod in. It's saying that the longer side goes in like this. We'll put this, put the washer on top. And it goes on like this. Yeah, that makes sense. Then we can start installing the springs. Next is get the gasket, the dowels. Look at this dowel that I'm using. This is actually a socket I had in my other crankcase. it did me good, so this will be alright. Alright. This is gonna go like this. That one's pretty tight. That one's pretty tight. 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 And then tight. Okay. Next we'll install this. People screw wants to screw on there. Next we'll install this O-ring. Then we'll throw a new filter in here. This is a 10, which I have right here. This side is done. Let's put the shit in for this. This. Next is the cam chain. So this goes in first, that goes like this, and this go like this. Next we need the woodruff key. No, I don't got another one of those. No. There we go, there's that. Let me go see what size this is. And this is gonna have to get torqued to 40 foot-pounds. Alright guys, this video is complete. As you see, we got everything ready to go. Fucked up, I thought this gasket was gonna work. I forgot that the kit I ordered sent me 2 gaskets and I used it in my last build. So we're gonna see. I might just order a gasket or I might just make one tomorrow. So I'm gonna check on Amazon and see what's gonna, if I get a gasket from Amazon, it comes by like Thursday, it'll be easier. Alright guys, it's your boy Full Throttle Josh. I'm out. Deuces.